Okay, this is for anyone trying to do a iPhone 12 Pro Max rear glass replacement. Basically, took the whole thing out in little pieces since it was shattered. But I came across an issue, which was the flashlight right here. See that flashlight? Basically, that came off. It got damaged while I was removing it. So what I ended up doing, I couldn't get it working. So I removed the back piece, which is a little sticker. So after I got the little sticker off, I was able to get the front and the back matched. So you match the back and the front and use the solder to solder the holes. So I was able to solder these in just by matching it and putting a little solder in all of them, and everything went back to normal. So now I turn on the phone and I'm going to test the flashlight. So here we go. Flashlight. Bam. Flashlight's working. So that was my problem. And I fixed it by soldering. So all you have to do is solder your flashlight if it comes apart, and problem solved. Because putting a whole new flashlight is a crazy ass job, and I'm sure you don't want to do it. So good luck. Message me, comment. If you have issues, I'll guide you.